I don't know if you can hear this, but there's like thunder in the sky, and the sun is shining. There's hardly no clouds anywhere. So I don't know what it is. I thought there was a dog growling at us from behind at first, but it's not. There's no airplanes, nothing. Let me know if you can hear that. God bless. Bye.